Everyone loses everything they had in these market caps, right? It just hurts crypto, right? It's hurting crypto with all this nonsense that's out there. And that's why I think this is a very important week for crypto, because if it goes south, you could see 25 to 50% of the quote unquote stable coins that are 1-to-1 to the dollar. You could see them start to decouple and go down 25 to 50%, 50% of those stable coins, right? And you could have a 25% liquidation rate and all those and stable coins this week if things go south and Bitcoin collapses down near 20,000, right? Same thing with these NFTs and all these DeFi tokens and all this nonsense. A lot of those will go near zero, all this polka dot shit, right? You're going to get a lot of this to go near zero in market cap, and people are going to be scared away from crypto for a very long time. And this could cascade itself and feed back. And like I was talking about last year in April, May, when we were topping out the first time before we had the bear market big pump to briefly new all-time highs, and now we're down 55%. And a lot of these altcoins are down 90% from there. I was warning you that we were entering into a multi-year bear market, and now you're starting to see this, and this could turn into a multi-year crypto liquidation winner by the end of this year if things go south. And that's why I think it's a very important week for crypto and Bitcoin, as if you look at these stable coins, that's the one last thing I wanted to look at on CoinMarketCap. If we go in here and filter in category, and we go into stable coins, right? This crypto insider Vincenzo and Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has showed you how stable coins, and we've shown the fraud and the deception that's actually the stable coin, that it's a myth and it's not stable. You can see Terra is continuing to go near zero. It's down to 0.197. Let's scan. You can see Tribe continues to go down 0.27. All of these 14% down. Steam Dollar, I've been telling you this. Steam Dollar, if you're in this, get out, because that $28 million market cap is going to get down to near zero. USDK is still holding up with its $28 million at a 1-to-1. If you're in there, you're lucky. Get out now, because that's another one. All these are going to start to collapse, and this is why I'm very concerned about this week. You can see XAUR, XURUM, whatever this nonsense was, it's down to 0.018. If you had any money in there, I'm sure this market cap was at 28 million before. Now it's down to 1.3 million, going to $13 market cap, right? Digital gold token, a big shyster gold token. If you're any one of this $940,000 thinking you own some kind of gold asset, you don't. You hold a digital nonsense nothing that is going, this market cap is going to go to zero. Basic cash is basic nothing. You're holding basic shit. And that's called basic American crap right there, basic cash junk. And this market cap, if you're part of this 412,000 market cap and falling quickly, it's going to get down to less than a couple $100 here pretty soon. And all this nonsense is going to get flash crashed in the next downturn, as Carat Gold, 37% down. There's no gold in there. That's a fake, a fool's gold mine. Coffee Dollar is down to 0.47. Right? And these are going to continue to decouple. And that's why I'm very concerned about this crypto week. And I'm dubbing this the most important open and the most important week in crypto's history. Right? And you can see Bitcoin, the critical level is the 29,000 blue ring. But what I think is going to happen is if you try to pump up, you have to come back down to this regional bottom to form a much stronger base. Right? You trade down into here, and then you could try to shoot up if you're trying to make up some of those losses and try to save crypto this week. If not, and you get rejected and get underneath that blue ring, you're going to come back down to that 5,421 market cycle low so far. And if you can't hold that, you're coming down to the targeted move of this uh, big bear flag that we were in. You can see upper resistance in yellow, lower support uptrending in yellow, and that big bear flag's targeted move was down there at $20,951, and we was well telegraphed. Old Vincenzo kept you out ahead of that and up to date on that. And that's what's going on in the market right now. But we'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated and give you firing off massive updates as I'm here at work. I got to get a little bit of work done, and then I'll fire you off some massive updates on important support and resistance zones. But I gave you most of them yesterday. Watch those insightful videos. But you can see XRP in this little rising channel that you're on, 46 cents just below the 50-day moving average in red is your major upper resistance, and the orange support zone, and the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together, to the shit house down there at 29 cents. But if you breach this brief uptrending support that you got going on right here, we'll make that a little bit bigger. You're going to come back down to your cycle low at 38 cents, and you would have to try to hold that and then fight back up and then get bullish, right? But if you come back down here, come up and get rejected by this, you're going to flash down here to 29 cents because there's not a lot of volume traded in this area between the last line of defense in the top part of the shit house. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.